Okay, so today you're working on measurement, and it says measurement, make it true. So this is a little bit different than the measurement activities that you guys have been doing. So let's read the directions before we get started. It says directions, read the clues, circle shorter or longer to make the last sentence true. Draw the lines to prove your answer. Okay, so let's look at the first one. And the best way to do this is just to draw the lines as you go. And that way you can see it and you know what's happening. So clue number 1 says the orange line is shorter than a green line. Okay, so I'm going to draw an orange line here, and I'm not going to go crazy because I know that it's going to be shorter than the green line. So it says the orange line is shorter than a green line. So let's just draw an orange line. Like I said, I'm not going to go crazy, right? Okay, so it says that it's shorter than a green line. So I'm going to draw a green line that's just a little bit longer than the orange line, okay? It says the green line is shorter than a red line. So now I need to draw a red line, that makes the green line shorter than my red line. Okay, so the green line is shorter than the red line. So if this line is going to be shorter than my red line, then I know that my red line is going to be longer. So let's go ahead and draw the red line. Okay, now let's go back and let's read the clues to make sure that I've done this correctly. The orange line is shorter than a green line. So here's the green line. The orange line is shorter than the green line. The green line is shorter than a red line. So here's the green line, and it's shorter than my red line, right? So now the directions did tell me to circle shorter or longer to make the last sentence true. So let's read the last sentence. The orange line is shorter or longer than the red line. Well, here's the orange line, and here's the red line. Is it shorter or longer than the red line? I hope that you said shorter because the orange line is shorter than the red line. Okay, so just make sure that you try and draw these as you go. And I think that will be easier for you. Just don't go crazy and make the lines super long the first time, okay? Just make sure you're listening to the directions and draw the lines as you go. And I think that will help you to see what's happening.